I don't think that's in gear now.
We're like, let's go to the soft side.
Yeah. Get it out of here. All right, guys, we're up here on the north end, and we got a Jeep. Looks like the 4x4 wasn't working, so it's sunk down on him. Get him up on the ramp. Get him out of here. What's up?
Almost got out.
Almost.
What
was your name?
Ralph.
Ralph John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alrighty. So it just wouldn't kick in?
No, just we went up and down the beach a couple times and then hit this spot, and that, I don't know what, nothing under it or something. I don't know. But
Something.
Lost the front power.
I guess. I don't know.
But you were lapping up and down, so Try and put it in reverse and back up a little bit. I think you're in four-wheel drive. Are you in four high?
No, I'm 4 low.
That's four low?
That's 4 low.
Huh.
Yep.
If you put it in neutral, it won't come up anymore? Up towards you?
Yeah. No. That's all.
Huh. Oh, there you go. Now try and put it in reverse, or either. Try and crawl. I don't think that's in gear now. It's either not all the way. There you go. There you go. You got it. There we go. Just like that. I don't. Right. Yes, of course. That's hilarious. I honestly have no idea what happened there. We'll make sure he's good and we'll be on our way. But that worked out, I guess.
Later.
Oh, they're trying to push that. We can, I guess, help. You don't want to take it back to the ramp. Make sure you actually get it out. Go back a few more feet. A little bit more. A little bit more. Probably about there. All right, now try and get out that way. There you go. Get it out of here.
Okay.
No, I think you're good.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you're good.
Probably doing a stop though.
Yeah, that was what I was saying.
Go all the way.
Stay. Go. Oh my gosh. He should have kept going.
Tell him don't stop.
Yeah, you got to keep going once you start. Go ahead. That's neutral. Here, wait. Try and back up a few feet first so you can get some momentum. Go ahead, try and back up. More. 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 A little bit more. All right, that's good. All right, now when you start going forward, try and get your speed up and keep going. All right, go ahead. Go, go, go. There we go.
Okay.
Sheesh. Whew. Okay.
Good job, guys.
Thanks, man. You too. There we go. Got two out. Oh, yeah. 2 birds, 1 stone. We'll lap down the beach, make sure no one else needs help, and get out of here. See ya.
Yesterday.
Alrighty, guys. We're up here on the north end, and we got one of the LC4 little, whatever it is, Range Rover. That might be wrong. I can't remember. I remember LC4, but we've pulled 1 or 2 like this out, but not this guy. He's normally good about it. You're normally so good out here, man. What was your name?
Vinny.
Vinny John. Nice to meet you. Yeah. All right. I see you out here all the time.
No kidding, you do?
Yeah, the sand flea, yeah, man. We've seen it, and we like the name. My dad used to catch sand fleas when I was a kid, so it's stuck. So I was like, oh, that looks familiar. Nice. Oh, you got a sand flea license plate too? Yeah. That's sick, awesome. Dude. Hell yeah. So it just bogged out on you?
Yeah, we bought this just for beach, just for beaching in.
Gotcha.
And I just hit the soft stuff and it sunk.
Gotcha. Do you know what PSI is in it?
That's high.
Pretty high.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if it's a beach toy, you get some like all terrains and lower the pressure, you'll probably be much better off. Yeah.
Horrible tires for the beach.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you air down, it's better, but street tires with full PSI is definitely the
worst way.
The worst. Yeah.
Right on.
But let's take a look. Figure out what we got to do to get you out of here. Holy cow! Look underneath that thing. It looks crazy under there. If you can actually get that shot. What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
Good. About yourself?
I'm just walking upstairs to call you. He's been here for about 45 minutes.
He's out here pretty often. He normally doesn't get stuck, but I think I can get caught up to him. So we'll take care of him. I appreciate you watching out. I kind of want to pull him back, to be honest. He's got the recovery hook back there. I was gonna pull him forward, but at the angle he's at, it's just kind of like awkward to pull him that way and senseless to pull him that way. So do you want to get it off the beach, or you want to have me pull you low and try and repark it?
I'm down for either. We just decided to set up camp here, but
Okay.
we can go wherever. If it's smarter to be down there.
I mean, it gets a little bit better down there, but I'd hate for you to have to, completely take everything down,
We'd stay here. I'd just park there probably, and then huff
You
it.
can do that. Yeah, you can walk over. Or, I mean,
Smarter. We always park on the dog side.
yeah.
We don't have a dog, so we're like, let's go to the soft side.
Yeah. I was gonna say, sometimes you can get away with like parking horizontal by the posts, kind of like roll up on it and roll away. But obviously it's still technically chancing it a little bit.
Once I get it up, if I stay moving and I go north-south, we're probably fine.
I think you'd probably be fine, especially like,
Walk down.
yeah, I think if I pull you back onto this hard sand, if you kind of loop around down over there and kind of just nice, easy roll up onto it, you should be all right. Park's kind of like them, and then you can load up and should be able to roll out of here. All right, let me work on getting it hooked up. Yep. This stuff gets wet and like sandy and salty, and then it gets stiff. Gotta be rinsed or something. At least it's got a nice recovery hook. I mean, I feel like this is kind of useless if you ever want to tow anything, but at least there's something to recover the vehicle from, yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna have you in there, throw it in reverse. You're probably gonna wanna turn a little bit passenger and give it just a tiny bit of gas, and I'm just gonna creep you back. And then realistically, I'm gonna pull that way, I think. That way we can point you that way. You can go get turned around and try and shoot up. Yeah, that's the game plan. Nice and easy. Heck yeah. Sweet. Yes, sir. All right, we'll get you unhooked and then go make a U-turn and get parked, and then we'll go from there. I'm curious to see how this goes. What do we think the odds are?
Not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure.
Not sure? I think it should be fine as long as he rolls some momentum. Yeah, he should be fine.
You want to just bust him.
Yeah. There we go. Nope. Got really close to that pole there.
Yeah, look at that service, John.
There you go. You say you're doing card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, we watched a bunch of your guys' footage.
Heck yeah, man. That's awesome.
My son loves your like YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, I love it. I love it.
And last I checked, you guys were like 80 million, something like that, views.
Maybe. I'm not even sure. Possibly,
Lots of
yeah.
cars get pulled out.
Yeah.
I'm talking
People do
about
get a
channel.
kick out of it. Yeah, for sure.
You should see where you rank against like.
There's a lot of big guys out there. You'd be surprised. You want to email, text, or no receipt?
None.
Okay.
None.
All right.
What
Hey, now.
I got here?
Yeah, because they're probably not even close to like match up for the memory.
Yeah. I appreciate it, buddy. Hey, you guys have fun out here, okay? All right. Yep. Have a good one. Ooh, water. Well, I kind of rinse my feet off, actually. There you go, guys. On to the next one. See ya.
Subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.